ఇప్పుడు అసదుద్దీన్ గారు వారు క్వశ్చన్ నడుస్తున్నది. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏదో ఇష్యూ మీద వాళ్ళ స్టాండ్ చెప్పదలుచుకున్నారు. వాళ్ళు అప్పటి నుంచి కూడా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మీరు గమనించండి.
I also want to react on the proceedings and the happening in this house. I also want to react.
ఇప్పుడు మీరందరూ రియాక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు.
Sir, my request is humble submission. Able to hear me. वो निकालिए तो सुन सकते. Sir, I want to react on the happening of this house and the way this house is running and the proceedings of this house. That is why I am requesting you to kindly give me a mic.
ఇప్పుడు ప్రొసీడింగ్స్ విషయంలో ఇంతసేపు జరిగినటువంటి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లో నేను ఈసార్లు అప్పీల్ చేసిన గౌరవ సభ్యులు బీఎస్సీ విషయంలో జరిగింది అమలు చేయాలనేటువంటి విషయంలో నాకు సలహా ఇస్తున్నారు. ఇటువంటి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక మాట మంచిది మీరు కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు కదా, చెప్పండి.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I have just heard Honorable Leader of the House reacting and making a request to the BJP leader and also BJP legislatures. He also spoke about the beauty of democracy. But it is so sad that being a leader of the House, and you also are witness to one thing, sir, when a member is on his leg, you have given a mic. The agitating legislature of BJP, he snatches the mic and pulls towards himself, and the leader of the house is not reacting on this. Is this the beauty of this house? To behave like this? And you also never reacted? Sir, what? Sir, what if the same no, sir, sir, let me complete, sir. Sir, let me complete, sir. If this is the way the house is going to run, I do not want to be in this house, sir. This is not the way the house is run. The beauty of democracy is to agitate, to protest. But beauty of this house is not to snatch away the mic of the legislature. And the beauty of the house is not this. If you are really concerned and bothered about the beauty of democracy, then you should also be concerned and bothered about the beauty and the decorum of this house. We never did that. Sir, if they wanted to agitate, you should have adjourned the house. Adjourn the house once, twice, thrice. You do not want to suspend them, nor you want to give them the mic. This is a complex situation. You want to have a win-win situation with the BJP. You don't want to send them out. At the same time, you want the house to run when the members are protesting, screaming, shouting, and you want us to participate in the question hour. Is it not the responsibility of the leader of the house and the treasury benches? And also, with all due respect, it is the responsibility of the chair and the speaker to bring the house in order. The house is not in order. Question hour is going like that. And you want us to participate? It is not right, sir. I strongly protest in the way this house is running, sir.
Adhyaksha, what Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi says, definitely it is correct. But I was not there when the mic was snatched. I never knew that a member, when he was on his legs while speaking, his mic was snatched. I was not there, number one. Number two, I fully endorse the views of Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi. We shall maintain the decorum of the house. We are fully conscious of it. Another thing I want to assure the members. I have been pleading all the while since the inception of this assembly that we have to maintain the decorum. We have been striving. We have been so tough to suspend the members even for a week or per session, the entire session also. We have been maintaining, for which we were of course termed in different manners, but still we are trying our best to maintain the decorum of the house. I once again assure Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi, there is a BSc meeting, I believe, today afternoon. In the meeting, let us all sit together and take a call how to maintain the decorum. Certainly, but one thing I want to make it very clear. The fashion of adjourning the house on a small disturbance is not correct. We are not interested in that. No, it's for political, it's being used for political speculation. And somebody's demand the house is adjourned so many times, pandemonium broke in the house. This is the old fashion of running politics. So, kindly, we will do that. We will do that. There is a limit for everything. We would all request the Honorable Speaker in today's Business Advisory Committee meeting, let us all make a request then he will be very firm.
No, sir. Sir, you have given the mic to the leader of the BJP party, sir. Sir, before giving the mic, the demand should have been made by the treasury benches, the minister sitting here, the deputy chief minister sitting here. You should have also made. First, the leader should apologize for the behavior of their colleague and the partyman. This is how the house runs. And you're not even giving me the mic. क्या है साहब ये? किस तरीके से चल रहा है? आप बताइए, क्या ये तरीका है ऐवान को चलाने का? Before giving the mic to the leader of the BJP, the demand should have been made by the treasury benches or the ministers to first submit an apology to this house, to the speaker, and also to the member who was on his leg and who was speaking. Without that, the mic should not have been given. Why is the government succumbing to the pressures of BJP just because they are in power in Delhi?
Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi, आपके कुछ व्यूज हो सकते हैं, अदर्स के भी कुछ व्यूज हो सकते हैं. इसमें गुजारिश ये है, there shall be a consensus always that how the house should run. There shall be a consensus. Please discuss in today's BAC meeting. If you have any idea, put it forward. इसी के बारे में अकबर जी देखिए, let us take a call. Mr. Owaisi, we will, no, it's not correct. Adhyaksha, तमर सभन కొనసాగించాలి అధ్యక్ష. ఒక్కొక్క మెంబర్ ఇట్లా మాట్లాడతాం కదా, సరి కాదు. తమర సభను కొనసాగించాలి.
జీవన్ రెడ్డి గారు ఇదే క్రాస్ టాక్స్ అండి.